Hi everyone, good evening. Kamusta ang lahat? Good evening. So it's dinner time here na sa amin, no? Manchester. Time check here is 5:55 na lang hapon, pero mataas pa ang araw ko. No, dapat, ano ako ngayon? Diba? Hindi na ako kumakain dapat ng alas 5. Diba? After 5, hindi na ako kumakain din na. More water na naman, tsaka black coffee. Pero, nag-crave ako nito, oh. I cannot stop thinking about this. Ilang araw na. So, few days I was craving with this one. So, today, finally, I'm gonna eat. I'm craving satisfied, no? Crispy fried chicken wings. Kain. Meron tayong leftover ng fried rice ng mga kids. This is kids leftover, no? Fried rice. So, I'm gonna finish it. There's a brown rice, guys. Brown rice. No? We use brown rice na dito sa bahay. Ayun. Nag-crave ko nito, meron lang ako konting ketchup. Nag-crave talaga ako nito ng araw na eh. Anak, Jack. Anak. Turn up the volume, please. Next to yourself. Sabi sa live here, okay? Video. Ito. So, very crispy. Craving. Hindi ako big pa ng deprived. May minsan ako nag-crave ako. Your macaroni Jack is still hot, okay? Lagi ko isang macaroni. Yesterday, home exercise tayo ngayon, wala. Pahinga. Kasi pag nag-workout ka na today, next day dapat i-relax mo yung mga muscles mo, no? Non-nerve mo. Panalo. Wala akong nang tumas, dapat nang tumas ng ano ito, partner. Hindi pa ako nakapunta sa Asian store. My favorite. Plum tomato.
Shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes. I see so many shapes, so many shapes. I see a circle, it's perfectly round. I see a circle, it's perfectly round. I see a semicircle, it's half a circle. I see a semicircle, it's half a circle. I see an oval, it looks like an egg. I see an oval, it looks like an egg. I see an ellipse, it's like squash circle. I see an ellipse, it's like squash circle.
Mas lalo na tayo nag-brown, no? Kasi nagpainit dito ang panahon. Pag tinik ang araw, sobrang init. So, ewan ba? Kahit nung pasasabi ko to, at ilang mga tao dito nagsasabi din na ang init dito, ang sunlight dito sa UK, sa Europe, ibang-iba. Parang blade pag nakaano sa balat mo. Pero maputi dito, parang namin silang lechon, napapainit. Ang resulta nila, namumula lang sa lahat ng parang sunog yung balat nila. Ang ganitong kulay, ang patok na patok sa Europe. So, Western yan country, may sa brown. Golden brown na kulay, brown, sun. Dark brown. Ito. Nalagyan ng tissue. Para masok yung oil.
Shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes. I see so many shapes, so many shapes. We're almost done. Let's go. I see a pentagon. It has 5 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 5 sides. I see a hexagon. It has 6 sides. I see a hexagon. It has 6 sides.
Lutong.
I see a pentagon. It has 7 sides. I see a pentagon. It has 7 sides. I see a octagon. It has 8 sides. I see a octagon. It has 8 sides. I see a monogon. It has 9 sides.
Pwede mo tayong drink ko.
It has 8 sides. I see a decagon. It has 10 sides. I see a decagon.
May zero, may cook, zero. Zero, ano yung cook, zero?
I see so many shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes, so many shapes.
Ito. Sarap talaga sa mga ano, yung mga dried food, like mga crispy fry na yun. Cheers! Ito pa yung pinakakain ko guys, pinaka-preferred ko. Crispy. Kahit buto, pwede nang ngayain. Brown na talaga ang kulay ni Mami. Craving satisfied talaga. Can I see the cheese? Wow, cheesy. Try it.
Why does it not smell cheesy?
Try it. Try it. You try chicken?
Yeah.
Peekaboo. Anak, gentle man ako. No. Where did I go?
Mama, Coca-Cola, please.
You don't like it? You never tried Coca-Cola? You want to smell it? Excuse me?
I don't like it.
Pardon me? Excuse me?
I want to put some cheesy pasta on
Yes,
the
yes,
rice.
yes. Gentle ba naman, no? Just eat as much as you can.
Hey, you pushed me.
Sorry. You don't have to finish it all, okay?
I'm full.
You just started.
Come back now, please.
These are baby's fingers. These are baby's toes. This is baby's belly button. Round and round it goes. These are baby's knees. And this is baby's nose. And this is baby's
Toy toy.
where mommy's goes. So silly. The moon is round and big. 2 eyes, a nose, and a mouth, like me.
Ang last ko na Coca-Cola ay siguro mga last month or 2 months ago.
Here we are.
Zero.
Where's your
Zero.
nose?
Coca-Cola zero.
There it is. Oh, we found our noses. Where is your mouth? Right here. Good job. Mouth. Where are
Fried
your
chicken.
fingers?
Mm.
Where's your ears?
I taste it. It's very good.
Where's your hair?
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, it's our hair. Hair.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Tastes good. Tastes good.
Who's watching? Who's watching us?
If you're happy and you know it's on your feet. If you're happy and you know it's on your feet. If you're happy and you know it's on your feet. Come on, show it. If you're happy and you know it's on your feet. If you're happy and you know it's on your right. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it's on your right. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it's on your right. If you're happy
Sis.
and you know it's on your right. Hooray. If you're happy and you know it's on your right.
Stick it in. Stick it in.
If you're happy and you know it's
Guys, that was Mummy's hand.
If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it's on your right. Hooray. Can you point to the dog? Good job. What does a dog say?
So fresh.
Like pretend dogs. Good job. Can you point to
Excuse
the
me?
cat? Pointing to the cat.
Come here.
Pointing to the cat.
Is that lettuce?
What does a cat say? Yeah. Meow. Let's pretend to be
I
cat.
got say.
Meow. Meow.
Oh.
Meow.
Mm, ito ba ito?
Ah!
If you should need an elephant
Why you do
on
that?
a summer's
What's
day, what would you do and what would you say? Say, good morning, elephant. How do you do?
Nothing for-
Good morning, elephant. Now may I dance with you?
After food, rest a little bit and then bath, okay? Bath.
Cold back, okay?
Okay. Come on.
Good stuff on, okay?